Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. This is Tech at your service, your go-to source for the latest in consumer electronics, gadgets, and all things tech-related. We're thrilled to have you here today as we embark on an in-depth journey into one of the most exciting and innovative smartphones on the market, the Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're a proud owner of this sleek, powerful device, then you're in the right place. The Vivo V50 Lite 5G has taken the smartphone world by storm, thanks to its impressive features, stylish design, and affordability. Whether you're a tech geek, a casual user, or someone looking to get the most out of their device, understanding how to properly care for and maintain your Vivo V50 Lite is essential. And today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of device maintenance: LCD replacement. The LCD, liquid crystal display, is arguably one of the most vital components of your smartphone. It's the window through which you interact with your device, view your favorite content, and navigate your daily tasks. Over time, or due to accidental drops and impacts, the LCD can suffer from cracks, dead pixels, discoloration, or complete failure. When that happens, your device's usability diminishes significantly, and the overall experience can become frustrating. But don't worry, replacing the LCD is a manageable task, especially when you have the right guidance and tools. In this detailed guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about replacing the LCD on your Vivo V50 Lite 5G, from identifying the signs of a failing screen, to the necessary tools and precautions, to step-by-step instructions on how to perform the replacement safely and effectively. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to understand the process before seeking professional help, this video aims to equip you with the knowledge you need. So, if your Vivo V50 Lite 5G's screen has seen better days, or if you've recently experienced an unfortunate accident, this guide is here to help you understand what's involved in restoring your device's full functionality. Remember, while replacing an LCD can be a straightforward process with the right tools and techniques, it requires patience, attention to detail, and careful handling to avoid further damage. Now, let's get started. First, we'll go over the signs that indicate it's time for an LCD replacement. Then, we'll review the tools and materials you'll need. After that, we'll walk through the step-by-step process, highlighting important safety tips and best practices along the way. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check out the product link in the description for your replacement parts. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech for more in-depth tech guides, reviews, and tutorials. Let's keep your Vivo V50 Lite 5G and all your gadgets in top shape.